Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name green color, red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw one, the numbers of one, and use green color, green color. 2, the numbers of 2, and again use green color. Kids Nidra 3, the numbers of 3, and use red color, red color. 4, the numbers of 4, and again use red color. Kids Nidra 5, the numbers of 5, and again use red color, red color. Kids Nidra 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow color, yellow color, yellow color. 7, the numbers of 7, and again use yellow color. Kids Nitro 8, the numbers of 8, and use blue color, blue color. 9, the numbers of 9. Kids Nitro 10, the numbers of 10, and again use blue color, blue color. Kids Nitro 11, the numbers of 11, and use black color, black color. Kids again use black color and draw 12, the numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13, the numbers of 13, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. 14, the numbers of 14. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 15, the numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16, the numbers of 16, and use red color, red color. 17, the numbers of 17. Kids Nidra 18, the numbers of 18, and use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 19, the numbers of 19. Kids again use blue color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.